Welcome back. The rift within the BJP on outlined developmental plans of Talegaon is now wide open. The bonhomie between the BJP leaders and Babush Montserrat has upset BJP's Mandal head of Talegaon, Datta Prasad Naik. Datta Prasad was all set to address media against Michael Lobo and alleged corruption in the NGPDA when senior BJP leaders intervened and got the scheduled media briefing cancelled. Here is an inside story of how the Talegaon ODP is leading to uncomfortable situations for the ruling party.
This is the first message sent by Datta Prasad Naik to media at 10:42 am on Wednesday. ODP Talegaon, a scam in making. Datta Prasad Naik would be addressing the press and exposing Michael Lobo at 3:30 pm today at BJP office Karanzalem, requesting you to kindly cover and help us save Talegaon. Interestingly, it is not only mentioned the purpose of the briefing, it also clearly stated the motive, exposing Michael Lobo. It ended with a crisp message, help us to save Talegaon. This message sent shockwaves across the BJP and obviously rang alarm bells in Kalangut. Datta Prasad, Mandal Adhyaksh of the Talegaon BJP and the candidate in last assembly election, was immediately summoned and pressurized to cancel the press conference. Just 1 hour before the briefing, this message was sent. Today's press at 3:30 pm at BJP Karanzalem office stands cancelled due to unavoidable circumstances. The unavoidable circumstances were obvious. Talegaon BJP Mandal raised some serious questions. Here are a few of them. Why is Michael Lobo acting closely with Babush Montserrat on Talegaon ODP? Why are senior BJP leaders supporting this joint venture? Is BJP having any serious political plans with Babush Montserrat? Why objections raised by concerned citizens of Talegaon are witnessing delayed hearing? Will the draft ODP of Talegaon be placed before the people and BJP Mandal before sending it to the CM? Senior BJP leaders denied some of the questions, dismissed few and remained non-committal on few. Although they succeeded in halting the political assault, they could not pacify and satisfy all the queries raised by the local leadership. Interestingly, it was the same BJP that fought for Green Talegaon when it was in the opposition. The echelons of power has changed. Has the BJP changed too? Bureau Report, Prudent.
This IFFI will be having the master classes. 187 films have been selected out of 790 entries. Highest Indian grosser Bahubali will be screened in mobile talkies. Inaugural film screening will not be restricted to Kala Academy this time, but will be screened at all the INOX screens. Chief Minister said Goa police and security arrangements are fully alert and there is no need to worry. The 46th International Film Festival begins from 20th November.
For the first time, IFFI is collaborating with Oscar Academy, and they have been able to select 187 films from 89 countries, and apart from the Indian Panorama section, 26 films which are the official Oscar entries by their countries this year at IFFI. We will be screening this film in Kala Academy, which is the inaugural film, and then just after a half an hour delay, the film will be screened in all the INOX screens.
It's a children's pavilion. So in the children's park in the forest garden, we are actually setting up a small, outdoor cinema where we will be screening children's movies. So this mobile talkies will actually screen movies for the rural folk and for the hinterland areas of Goa, so that they also remain connected with the film festival. Bahubali is going to be one of the movies that we are going to screen in the mobile talkies.
Chief Minister took the stock of the situation at Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium. The venue is getting set for the IFFI inaugural.
Goa is a touristic place, touristic destination. आणि त्यामुळे आमच्या पोलीस खात्याक ह्या बाबतीन सदांच कॉशियस रावचें पडटा आणि आसात ते. आणि मुद्दम सिक्युरिटी थ्रेट कितें तरी आसा म्हणून नवें कितें केल्लें आसा ना, but we are ready for all eventualities.
Chetan Gavas and Omkar Frari for Prudent.
Under trials and convicts can now continue their studies while in Kolwale jail. IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University Study Centre, has been inaugurated at modern Kolwale jail. This facility is open to the convicts and the under trials. Chief Minister Parsekar inaugurated the centre and informed that the jail will be fully equipped within 2 to 3 months. IG Prisons Elvis Combs said official notification to name the prison as Correctional Home at Kolwale will be issued shortly.
The way the work is moving, I am sure in next couple of months, 2 to 3 months, हे पूर्ण जेल जी आसा ही फुल्ली equipped जातली, सगळे फॅसिलिटीज आसतल्यो, एका बऱ्या वातावरणात तुम्ही आसतले, जेतून चड जे फ्रस्ट्रेशन येता, म्हणजे हांव सडा गेल्लो ना एका रुमाच्या भायल्यान वतालो, अशे ग्रिल्स आसले, आणि that room was overcrowded.
As we have said earlier, this is to be called a correctional home rather than prison. But due to habit, we keep on calling it as a prison. Official declaration that this is a correctional home will be coming shortly.
Minister for Panchayats Rajendra Alekar has assured funding of 6.25 crores by December to the South Goa Zilla Panchayat. Demands of Zilla members will be put forth in the supplementary budget for more funds. South Goa Zilla Panchayat members had demanded funds up to 10 crores with full-fledged assistant engineers and executive engineers to execute the developmental works.
Whatever assurances are given and whatever things we have put forward, he has promised us. And since he has become a minister, Rajendra Alekar, only 2 months back, we have to wait, and they promised us immediately the funds are going to come. So we'll have to wait and watch.
Minister Alekar has assured at least 6.25 crores by December.
फायनान्शियल पावर चड दिवपाची गरज आसा, कामां चड दिवपाची गरज आसा, आणि गव्हर्मेंट इज सर्टनली ऑप्टिमिस्टीक अबाउट दीस, की गव्हर्मेंटाकय दिसता की तांकां आत्ता जो आमी तांचे कडेन या डिसेंबर मेरेन सादारण 6 कोटी 25 लाख रुपया तांचे कडेन पावतले, पण ते पावचे ना तांकां पयशे, इतले न्ही ते, ताच्या परस चड पयशे जाय, म्हणटकच आमी तांच्या चड पयशे पावोवपाचो प्रयत्न तांचे कडेन करतात. येणाऱ्या बजेटान ताजेर सप्लिमेंटरी बजेटान तो मांडून आमी तांकां चड दिवपाचो प्रयत्न करतात. म्हाका दिसता की ते फायनान्शियल पावर्स आनी तांच्यो आनीकय मागण्यो आसात की वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारची कामां तांचे कडेन जर दीत जाल्यार तांच्या चॅनलांतल्यान, जिल्हा पंचायत चॅनलांतल्यान अनेक कामां व्यवस्थीत जावंक शकतली. वी आर पॉझिटिव्ह अँड वी आर पॉझिटिव्हली थिंकिंग ओवर दिस.
13 South Goa Zilla Panchayat members had boycotted a recent meet over their pending demands. Minister Alekar met the aggrieved Zilla Panchayat members in Margao on Wednesday. Savia dies for prudent.
The Panji Special Court has rejected application of Crime Branch seeking permission to conduct narco-analysis test of former PWD Minister Churchill Alamau and former Zyka Project Director Anand Vachasundar. Crime Branch's application was rejected as both Churchill and Vachasundar had not consented for narco test. Though the court has allowed Crime Branch to file fresh application to conduct narco-analysis test of former CM Digambar Kamath. Digambar Kamath is suspected prime accused in Zyka bribery case. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court is scheduled to hear Crime Branch's special leave petition on 8 December seeking cancellation of anticipatory bail of Digambar Kamath. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.